Hey, this week Team Eaton sets out to harvest a turkey with the bow. My wife has yet to harvest an animal with her bow, but there's only one thing that's going to change that: determination.
Let me take a shot, knock it out of the log.
Well, with last year's hunt, we knew exactly where we wanted to go. We went out to Elise's aunt and uncle's, where the only thing we seen was that possum. So we're on our way back through, and we're passing a field, and I look out in the field, and there's a great big Tom Strutter. Well, it's a good buddy of mine, Mr. Paul's field, so I called Mr. Paul up, and Paul said, "Hey man, good luck." So we hopped out of the truck, we snuck out there, we made a few short notes, and it wasn't long, and this Tom was coming in.
We've got a Tom coming in from straight behind us. We're not gonna have a whole lot of time to get him on film, so it's gonna happen pretty quick here. Stay tuned. Can you tell how big he is?
No, I can't.
There he is. Then it's a Tom, not a Jake.
Yeah, that's a Tom.
Come on.
After getting a good look at that bird, I knew it had potential to be the Michigan's new state record. I set the camera in position, and we just waited him out.
Can you get him? Go ahead. Get another arrow. I think you hit him low. 20 yards, honey. Hurry up.
At this point, the bird was out there, and he fanned us off, so my wife got another G5 loaded up, and she was ready to roll.
He's still out there. One more. Hurry up. Put it on about his top of his head. Put it on top of his head. Oh my God, the arrow skipped right past him that time.
I'm out of arrows. Like husband, like wife. I'm shaking. If I would have had this window open, I think I could have made a better shot.
We knew that we'd missed out on a great opportunity, and I was partially to blame. She had that bird at 6 yards, but I told her to hold off because it wasn't on camera. It's sad to think that I put that camera in front of my wife's own goals, and I vowed not to ever do that again. Although the footage is very important to us, getting her first bird was becoming more important, so we set out on Mother's Day to see if she could get it done. Well, that great big Tom was coming in, and this hen cuts him off, and takes the prize with her. Hey, let me tell you something else about turkey hunting. You always got to remain on your toes.
We were set up on the other side of the property this morning, had a tom come in, but it was a little out of bow range. And I'm kind of determined to use my bow this year, so we decided to pack it up and head on over to the other side of the property.
You're watching me and Mom at Tagout Hunting.
We just got set up in our new spot across the field. Not but 5 minutes later, we hear a couple toms back there, about 100 yards. They're just gobbling away.
He's running. He's running. Get your bow ready. Get your bow ready.
Tagging Out Hunting would like to thank the following sponsors: Stink Stick, Outdoor Dreams Hunting Products, Buck Fever Synthetic Scents, A-Way Hunting Products, and Nocturnal Lighted Nocks. Thank you! She plowed the G5 right through his body, and then shortly after that, we recovered her bird. But before we were able to recover her bird, we come across some newborn fawns that were out in the field. And then every cameraman's nightmare happened. I taped over some very important things.
See, Kayak can't even walk. Come here. Come take a look. Talk about a Mother's Day. Wow. It's okay. We're all right. There's three. One, two, and then
She just had them last night. You can see the blood right there.
tell Kylie they're brand new.
Where'd Ma run to?
Huh? Ma ran that way.
How far? All the way?
Oh yeah, she took off.
That's awesome.
Then go back.
Okay, you want to walk around the back side of them and stand behind them?
Yeah. It's okay. back, right, honey?
Mm-hmm.
Even if she smells it?
Yeah.
Amazing day it has been here in Michigan. Not only did I get the first kill ever with my bow, but my daughter got up with my husband and I at 4 a.m. to come out to the woods and go turkey hunting. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I am telling you what, that right there, spending quality family time, is making the hunt. Why'd the turkey cross the road? To get shot with Mama's bow. This is my first bow kill ever!
What a great way to spend time with the family outdoors, and it couldn't have happened on a better day. I'd advise that you get somebody out there this very season. My wife was able to put her first bow kill behind her, and with that confidence, she'll become a great huntress. Tagging Out Hunting is proud to announce our 15,000 DVD giveaway.
You heard it right. We're giving almost $100,000 worth of DVDs away.
All you have to do is go to taggingouthunting.com. Go to the Meat Market button, click Add to Cart, click Checkout, fill out all the information you need, put free DVD in the coupon or discount code selection, hit apply, and then just check out. It's that simple. Log on today to own your own copy. Tell your friends, tell your family, post it on the web, and email everyone you know about this offer because it will not last long. Thank you to our fans, our sponsors, our customers, our family, and our friends for making Tagging Out Hunting a huge success. This DVD has it all. It covers 5 states, including Louisiana, Texas, Maine, Nebraska, and Michigan. It covers waterfowl, mule deer, hogs, whitetail deer, bow fishing, moose, turkey, and more. It highlights the youth in the outdoors as well as women. The people in this DVD do not look at themselves as above or beyond anyone, just normal, everyday, hardworking people that share their love for the outdoors with the families that they love. Watch Kylie Eaton as she makes a wild boar harvest at the age of 4 years old. Lots of unseen, incredible footage. Log on now, taggingouthunting.com, and own your own copy today. Thanks again from all of us at Tagging Out Hunting.